I go swimming once a week.
I go swimming once a week.
She visited Paris once.
She visited Paris once.
I have one brother.
I have one brother.
Can I have one apple, please?
Can I have one apple, please?
I need one onion for the soup.
I need one onion for the soup.
She cut the onion into small pieces.
She cut the onion into small pieces.
I bought this book online.
I bought this book online.
She has many online friends.
She has many online friends.
I have only one sister.
I have only one sister.
She is the only student here.
She is the only student here.
Please open the window.
Please open the window.
The shop is open now.
The shop is open now.
What is your opinion about this film?
What is your opinion about this film?
In my opinion, this book is good.
In my opinion, this book is good.
The bank is opposite the park.
The bank is opposite the park.
Hot is the opposite of cold.
Hot is the opposite of cold.
Do you like tea or coffee?
Do you like tea or coffee?
We can go today or tomorrow.
We can go today or tomorrow.
I want to eat a sweet orange.
I want to eat a sweet orange.
Her new dress is bright orange.
Her new dress is bright orange.
I would like to order lunch now.
I would like to order lunch now.
Can I take your order, please?
Can I take your order, please?
Do you have any other questions?
Do you have any other questions?
I like this shoe and not the other.
I like this shoe and not the other.
This is our house on the corner.
This is our house on the corner.
We love our dog very much.
We love our dog very much.
Please take the trash out now.
Please take the trash out now.
He looked out the window at the rain.
He looked out the window at the rain.
The children are playing outside today.
The children are playing outside today.
It is very cold outside right now.
It is very cold outside right now.
The plane flies over the city.
The plane flies over the city.
The football game is over now.
The football game is over now.
I have my own room now.
I have my own room now.
She wants to buy her own car.
She wants to buy her own car.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
The meeting is at 3 o'clock.
The meeting is at 3 o'clock.
Open your book to page 10.
Open your book to page 10.
Read the first page of the story.
Read the first page of the story.
I want to paint my room blue.
I want to paint my room blue.
The wet paint is on the wall.
The wet paint is on the wall.
That is a beautiful painting of a horse.
That is a beautiful painting of a horse.
The painting on the wall is old.
The painting on the wall is old.
I need a new pair of shoes.
I need a new pair of shoes.
She has a pair of warm gloves.
She has a pair of warm gloves.
Please write your name on the paper.
Please write your name on the paper.
I need a piece of white paper.
I need a piece of white paper.
Read the first paragraph of the text.
Read the first paragraph of the text.
Write a short paragraph about your family.
Write a short paragraph about your family.
My mother is a very good parent.
My mother is a very good parent.
Bring a note from a parent tomorrow.
Bring a note from a parent tomorrow.
We like to walk in the park.
We like to walk in the park.
You can park your car here.
You can park your car here.
This is the best part of the movie.
This is the best part of the movie.
Which part of the city do you like?
Which part of the city do you like?
Work with a partner in class today.
Work with a partner in class today.
Who is your partner for this game?
Who is your partner for this game?
We are having a birthday party.
We are having a birthday party.
Are you going to the party tonight?
Are you going to the party tonight?
You need a passport to travel.
You need a passport to travel.
Please show me your passport now.
Please show me your passport now.
It is 3:30.
It is 3:30.
In the past, people walked everywhere.
In the past, people walked everywhere.
You can pay with cash or card.
You can pay with cash or card.
I need to pay for my lunch.
I need to pay for my lunch.
Can I borrow your blue pen?
Can I borrow your blue pen?
Write the letter with a black pen.
Write the letter with a black pen.
Use a pencil to draw the picture.
Use a pencil to draw the picture.
My pencil is yellow and sharp.
My pencil is yellow and sharp.
Many people live in this city.
Many people live in this city.
The people in the room are happy.
The people in the room are happy.
I like red pepper in my salad.
I like red pepper in my salad.
Please pass the salt and pepper.
Please pass the salt and pepper.
The weather is perfect for a picnic.
The weather is perfect for a picnic.
This dress is a perfect fit.
This dress is a perfect fit.
Put a period at the end.
Put a period at the end.
We have a rest period after lunch.
We have a rest period after lunch.
She is a very nice person.
She is a very nice person.
Only one person can sit here.
Only one person can sit here.
That is a personal question.
That is a personal question.
Keep your personal things in the bag.
Keep your personal things in the bag.
My phone is in my pocket.
My phone is in my pocket.
Please phone me later today.
Please phone me later today.
Take a photo of the family.
Take a photo of the family.
This is a nice photo of you.
This is a nice photo of you.
This photograph is very old.
This photograph is very old.
He took a photograph of the bird.
He took a photograph of the bird.
Learn this phrase for your trip.
Learn this phrase for your trip.
What does this phrase mean?
What does this phrase mean?
She plays the piano very well.
She plays the piano very well.
We have a big piano in the room.
We have a big piano in the room.
Draw a picture of a house.
Draw a picture of a house.
I like the picture in your book.
I like the picture in your book.
I would like a piece of cake.
I would like a piece of cake.
Can I have a piece of paper?
Can I have a piece of paper?
The pig lives on the farm.
The pig lives on the farm.
A pig is a pink animal.
A pig is a pink animal.
She is wearing a pink dress.
She is wearing a pink dress.
My favorite color is pink.
My favorite color is pink.
This is a nice place to eat.
This is a nice place to eat.
Is there a place to sit down?
Is there a place to sit down? Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.